In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily type pound symbol on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and to type pound symbol, I'm going to use the default iPhone keyboard. And to do that, first off, we need to open up any app where we can use a keyboard. Let's say Messages app. Now we need to tap right here to bring up the keyboard, and then just tap right there at this 1, 2, 3 button to switch to the alternative keyboard. Here we can enter some number, and then I'm going to use this United States dollar symbol. However, instead of typing on it once, which we'll type in the USD symbol here, we need to long press at this button, and that will show us these extra options, and we can select any of them by dragging it left or right. Now I'm going to choose that symbol, and to type it in, I'm just going to lift off my finger. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.